You're not using ChatGPT wrong. You're just not asking it the right questions. In this video, I'll show you 5 insanely powerful ChatGPT prompts that people are using to generate real income in freelancing, content creation, and digital products. Let's dive in. Prompt 1. Write a 1,000-word blog post on your topic that is SEO optimized, includes subheadings, and is written in a friendly tone. You can use this to create blog posts for clients on Fiverr or Upwork. Or start your own blog and monetize with affiliate links and ads. Pro tip: pick niches like finance, health, or tech for the best payouts. Prompt 2. Give me a list of 10 high-paying affiliate products in the niche space with commission rates, and create 5 YouTube video ideas around them. Boom! ChatGPT just did your research and content plan. Now, turn that into a YouTube script or blog post and plug in affiliate links. This method works great in niches like software, AI tools, or productivity apps. Prompt 3. Create a complete Notion template structure for a solopreneur managing 3 freelance clients and personal goals. You can then build that Notion template and sell it on Gumroad, Etsy, or your own landing page. Digital products mean no shipping, no inventory, and 100% profit. Prompt 4. Write a compelling Upwork proposal for a job titled Social Media Manager for SaaS Company. Make it confident, concise, and client-focused. This prompt will help you win freelance jobs fast. Customize it with a few personal details, and you'll stand out in a crowded market. Prompt 5. Create a YouTube script titled 5 Passive Income Ideas using AI in 2025 with an engaging hook, bullet points, and a strong call to action. Use this to build faceless YouTube channels like this one and monetize with AdSense, sponsorships, or affiliate links. You don't need to be a writer, just a smart prompt engineer. These prompts aren't magic, but in the right hands, they're money machines. Want more AI-based income ideas? Subscribe to AI Hustle Lab and turn your creativity into cash powered by AI. See you in the next video.